In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor assembly on this Honda Accord. This will be located under your passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your blower motor underneath your passenger side dash. We're going to start by disconnecting the electrical connector. On this, you'll find that it has a small squeeze tab. Squeeze it in and disconnect this. A quick check for corrosion and set that wiring aside. That looks good. With that disconnected, we can start dismounting the blower motor. You're going to find that you have 3 8mm headed mounting bolts holding this in place. 2 of them are out in the open, the other one's along the forward side there. Let's start with the hardest one to get to. Inspect your mounting hardware. As you remove it, replace it as necessary. For the last mounting bolt, we'll make sure we're holding up on the blower motor so it does not fall down. Take hold of the blower motor and carefully remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Okay, it's time to install our brand new blower motor assembly. Let's carefully get this in position. We'll slide that into the housing. Once you feel as though you have it properly mounted, continue on with your 3 mounting bolts. We'll start them in, and then you can snug them up. With that secured, we'll continue on with our electrical connector. Go ahead and press it in, listen for a click, give it a tug. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our blower motor assembly. At this point, you want to put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.